Now, here's one I didn't see coming. Snapseed, Google's free photo editor. Half of us assumed it was dead, hadn't had a proper update in years. Well, Snapseed 4.0 has just landed on Android and it's the biggest overhaul the app's ever had. New look, new camera, new tools, the lot. And the best bit, it's still completely free. Let me show you. First thing you'll notice is it looks totally different. Brand new gallery when you open it, multi-select so you can pull in a few photos at once instead of that old plus button. The whole interface is cleaner and more gesture-led. Folk are saying it feels like an indie developer made it, not Google. Oh, and Android finally skips to 4.0. We never even got version 3. Right, now here's where it gets good. The film filters, proper authentic film looks, beautifully muted. None of that overcooked nonsense. There's tasteful grain you can dial in, a brand new colour tool for quick hue and saturation tweaks without ever opening Lightroom. And there's an in-app camera now so you can shoot straight into the editor. Genuinely useful stuff. But the headline feature for me is the masks. Filters now stack up with their own individual masks, basically the closest Snapseed has ever come to proper layers. You can grade just the sky, leave the rest alone, and thank goodness they kept the healing brush. No giant AI model in the cloud to fix a wee blemish. Just the tool working away locally. Now, it's not all roses. The reaction's been properly split. Loads of people love it, clean, fresh, loads of work has gone in. But others, they reckon the new design feels like high contrast mode, and a few power users are raging that the old view edits function got changed. So it's a bit of a Marmite update. Beautiful to some, broken to others. So should you update? For me, it's a yes. It's completely free, no subscription, which is rare as hen's teeth in 2026. It's rolling out on the Play Store right now. The one catch, if you're after serious raw editing, it's still limited compared to Lightroom. But for everyday edits on your phone, it's hard to beat for nothing. Give it a go and let me know what you reckon.